How's it going? You guys all asked. Women carry knives here. We are inside PVK. Take a little look. Some of the things they offer in here.
So are you guys still washing up with this computer stuff? All the directors come down. I don't know if you want to still
Mr. There we go.
Okay, so we can couple them up and stuff. But that's going to be kind of difficult with these types because they're already coated. No, it's fine with me. I was just curious, like, sort of semi-custom.
All right, you guys all asked, what do they have in PVK? So I am showing you. All right, everybody's upset because of the ProTech I bought.
Nobody's upset.
Well, whatever. It's not a Blade HQ knife. So y'all can deal with that, all right? So along with this, if you guys can hear me, you have beads galore. You have all kinds of stuff in here. I hope I'm not going too fast and making y'all sick. And of course, we can go back to their wall.
Oh, no, you're good. I just feel like a sailor.
A little bit of everything. A little bit of everything.
Just gotta make sure you don't do it in the video.
It happens, actually. And don't worry, the people that watch correct.
There we go.
There.
Hi!
Hello.
All right, you guys, that is your quick view of PVK. See you next time.